Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to set up age verification pop-ups in Shopify. So Shopify doesn't have a built-in age verification pop-up, but you can easily add one using a no-code app or a basic themes customization. This simplest and fastest way to use a free or paid app like sponsor age verification, age check plus age verification, or pop-up age verification from the Shopify app store. So this app lets you create a pop-up asking users to continue with age before entering your store. After installing, you can customize the pop-up with your own message. For example, are you 18 plus older? Choose between yes / no button. And decide whether visitors who fails the age check are blocked directly or just shown a warning. Most apps offer a visual customization to match your store's branding, no coding required. For manual solution without app, you can add an age verification pop-up snippet directly into your team's code in Teams Liquid or a separate pop-up section. So this requires basic knowledge of Shopify's theme editors and Liquid code, but can be done by copying free open source pop-up scripts. However, the approach is less flexible and requires more effort to maintain. So the easiest no-code way to set up page verification pop-up in Shopify is by using a dedicated age check app, which lets you fully customize and control the experience without touching any code.